Jump up everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Atieno. If you're new here, I must welcome. So we are out. I took my girl out. Guys, today I'm excited to share with you a fun day out with my friend at Port Bell landing site here in Kampala, Uganda. It's a beautiful spot with a rich history, and I am looking forward to exploring it with you guys. As you can see, Port Bell landing site is a bustling hub of activity. It's where Lake Victoria meets the city, and it's a great place to experience the local culture. We are going to take a stroll along the lake shore, check out the fishing boats, and maybe even try some fresh fish. At Port Bell, every day is a busy day because they have a lot of businesses. Our boats made from wooden planks. You see that long boat? I don't know if you guys ever seen that boat. It's a traditional boat. They make them from woods. Yeah? Our boats plays a vital role in our transportation, fishing, and tourism industry. And these boats have been used for generations, connecting our communities and facilitating trade. Guys, they use these boats to transport goods from Uganda's boat building industry is evolving modern boats designed for speed, comfort, and safety. Those boats cater to tourists, offering scenic cruises and water sports. Guys, let's go and order some fish for ourselves. And they saw nail punch, but mostly they saw tilapia here. Tilapia is more than just a fish in Uganda. It's a staple, tradition, and a source of pride. Found in Lake Victoria, Lake Choga, and other water bodies. Tilapia fish is a freshwater fish that's rich in protein and flavor. Now it's Saturday. Cool. Anyways, guys, I'm back with you. In Uganda, tilapia is a symbol of hospitality. When you visit a Ugandan home, chances are high you will be served tilapia as a sign of respect and welcome. It's also a popular dish at gatherings and celebrations, especially in northern part of Uganda. And we have so many different ways of preparing tilapia, from the classic tilapia fry to the tilapia in Rwambo. Every method brings out the unique flavor of this fish. Now I'm taking her to another place. Okay. In Kasoko Somaja. So guys, now we are going to unforgettable adventure through the ghettos of Kampala. What do I mean by ghettos? Ghettos, we call them ghettos, but to simplify it, okay, let me say the slums. But here in Uganda, we don't call them slums, we call them ghettos. Anyways, join us as we amaze ourselves in the vibrant culture and resilience of Uganda's urban communities. We are heading to one of Kampala's most vibrant ghetto called Kasokoso, where life is lived with passion and resourcefulness. This is the heart of Uganda, where community and resilience grow. As we walk through the narrow streets, you will notice the sounds, smell. Every corner tells a story. We are stopping to chat with some of the friendly residents. You will see how welcoming and open-hearted Ugandans are, even in the face of challenges. As we wrap up our Port Bell and Ghetto tour, I want to reflect on the beauty and strength of these communities. It's more than just a neighborhood, it's a testament to Uganda's spirit. Thank you guys for joining us on this eye-opening journey. Remember, there is beauty in every corner of Kampala, even in unexpected places. Thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share with your friends, family, and everyone. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Let's head back home. It's getting red.